Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Galaxy A33 5G smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Samsung, and here you can see this is the slim box, so there is no charger inside the box. So now quickly unbox it. So in top here we get the small box, and here's the SIM ejector pin, and if we see inside it, so here we get some reading manuals. And this is the USB Type-C cable, guys. I said no charger inside the box. Okay, keep this aside. And guys, here's the phone itself. You can see here's the phone itself. Keep this box aside and remove this plastic cover. So as you can see, here's the phone itself in my hand. If we talk about the design, it has iconically a simple design, slimmer and more sophisticated matte finish. Here you can see it has matte finish, and it has quality bezels. Here you can see, and here you can see the seamless camera housing with ambient edge. Here you can see with ambient edges, seamless camera housing over there. And if we talk about the, yes, it has a rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, which is a really good thing. And here you can see the phone in my hand. So okay, if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the secondary microphone, and here is the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So guys, here we get the hybrid SIM slot. You can see here we can insert 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM or 1 micro SD card. Okay, so no triple card slot available. Okay, and if we talk about its side, here we get the power on off and volume up and down key. On this side we get nothing, and on bottom we get the main microphone, USB Type-C port, and main speaker over there. And on back here you can see it has a 48 megapixel f1.8 with optical image stabilization quad rear camera setup. Here we have 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth camera, and here's the 5 megapixel macro camera with LED flash. And on front it has 13 megapixel front camera. And if we talk about the display, it has awesome screen with spectacularly vivid colors. Yes, it has smooth, silky smooth 90 Hz full HD plus super AMOLED display technology in this phone. So as you can see, yep guys, phone looks good. You can see it is iconically simple design. You can see. And if we talk about its weight, it is 186 gram, and the thickness of this phone is 8.1 mm. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So as you can see, I have set up the device and phone is starting. So here's the main screen of Galaxy A33 5G smartphone. If we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and go back, and if we slide from top we get the notification center, helpful quick setting, and brightness setting is also available there. And here we get the Samsung free application, Google feedback feature is also available. Okay, now if we talk about its display, guys, it has a 90 Hz super AMOLED display technology with full HD plus resolution. So quickly check this out. As you can see, guys, yep, it runs really smooth. You can see it runs really smooth. You can see, yep, it runs really smooth. As you can see, it has really ultra smooth display. You can see it has 90 Hz ultra smooth display. You can see, which runs really smooth. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its camera, it has quad rear camera setup. So here are some shots I took with Samsung Galaxy A33 5G smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. If we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, so now quickly check this out. And guys, the chipset, if we talk about the chipset of this phone, it has Exynos 12805nm octa-core 5G processor. And if we talk about the operating system, it is running on Android 12, which is upgradable to Android 13 One UI 5, which is a really good thing. So now quickly check this out. If we talk about its security, it has a Samsung Knox security for simple touch to unlock. And it also has game booster for seamless gaming. So now if we talk about its in-display fingerprint scanner, check this out. I put finger and you can see it unlock the phone. Touch it, fingerprint animation pops out. I put the finger and it unlock. I put and it unlock the phone quickly. You can see. Yep, guys, it is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, I look and it unlock the phone. Okay, I'm not seeing. I look and it unlock the phone quickly. You can see. I'm not seeing. I look and it unlock the phone. So, guys, both in display fingerprint and face unlock both are really fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of Galaxy A33 5G smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.